Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we're looking at the concept of high elasticity. And this is your ability to automatically increase or decrease your capacity based on the current demand of traffic, memory, and computing power. So this sounds a lot like high scalability, but the key difference is that it's automatic and you can decrease the demand, not just increase it. And so the way we would do that is that we would have a virtual machine or server, and if we needed more servers, we would add more servers, and if we needed less servers, we would remove less servers. And so this is going to be accomplished using horizontal scaling. So when we say we're scaling out, this means we're adding more servers of the same size. When we're scaling in, this means we're removing more servers of the same size. And generally, you're not going to use vertical scaling for high elasticity. It's just extremely difficult to vertically scale, because if you have to increase, let's say, your storage drive, and then you decrease it, you could lose data. So it's not a good idea or even feasible to do vertical scaling with high elasticity. Now, how would you accomplish being elastic on Azure? Well, you'd use Azure's VM scale set. So scale sets automatically increase or decrease in the response to demand or based on a defined schedule. And we'll talk about those in greater detail later in this course. And then we have SQL Server or Server Stretch Database. These dynamically stretch warm and cold transactional data from Microsoft SQL Server 2016 to Microsoft Azure. Not something we're going to cover, but it's generally the same concept that scale sets do. So there you go. That's high elasticity.